Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Honda Civic rear view mirror is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of your vehicle's safety and convenience, acting as your primary visual connection to the world behind you. This seemingly simple accessory plays a crucial role in everyday driving, from navigating busy highways to executing precise parking maneuvers, ensuring you have a clear and unobstructed view of your surroundings at all times. A high-quality rear-view mirror can significantly enhance your driving experience, providing peace of mind and contributing to a safer journey for you and your passengers. Number 5. ICBEAMER 9.4 Clip-on Rear-View Mirror. Drive with confidence thanks to this extra-wide panoramic mirror. Its convex HD glass expands your field of vision, reducing blind spots for safer lane changes, merging, and reversing. Available in a wide range of lengths and in clear or blue tint to match your needs and style. Choose the size that best suits your car, SUV, or truck for a perfect fit. Specially designed to reduce headlight glare at night while providing a sharp, distortion-free reflection in daylight. Maintain clear vision in all lighting conditions for a more comfortable drive. No tools or modifications are needed for installation. It securely clips over your existing factory mirror in seconds with strong rubber mounts and is easily adjustable. Made with high-definition glass and durable materials for long-lasting clarity. It's shipped in protective packaging to prevent any damage during delivery. What we like. This mirror offers an extra-wide panoramic view, significantly reducing blind spots for safer driving. Its anti-glare feature ensures clear vision day and night. If you're looking for a simple, effective upgrade to enhance your driving safety without complex installation, this is a great choice. What people say. The mirror is a perfect fit for the Honda Civic. It was easy to install and provides a clear view of the road behind. The auto-dimming feature works effectively, reducing glare at night. Number 4. JOYTUTUS 12-inch Panoramic Rear View Mirror. Experience a significantly wider field of vision with this panoramic rear-view mirror. It effectively reduces blind spots, making your driving and reversing much safer. Keep a clear eye on your children in the back seat without needing to turn around. This mirror allows you to drive with greater peace of mind. Designed with a universal fit, this mirror is longer than most, offering a broader view. It's compatible with cars, SUVs, trucks, and many other vehicles. Enjoy perfect visibility with its high-quality HD clear glass. You'll see real, undistorted images of what's behind you, eliminating any confusing overlaps. Built with a high-quality ABS frame and an anti-explosion film, this mirror is both durable and shatterproof. Even if damaged, glass fragments stay in place for your safety. Installation is a breeze, taking only about 8 seconds. Simply clip it onto your existing rear-view mirror and adjust the angle for optimal viewing. What we like. With a 12-inch wide-angle convex mirror, this accessory provides a broader field of vision, making lane changes and reversing much safer. The high-quality HD glass ensures clear, undistorted images, and the shatterproof design adds an extra layer of safety. If you prioritize a clear, wide view and enhanced safety features like shatterproof glass, this is the mirror for you. What people say. The mirror has a clear reflection and provides a wide field of view, making it easy to see traffic behind. Installation was straightforward, and the mirror fits perfectly in the designated spot. The auto-dimming feature works effectively, reducing glare from headlights at night. Number 3. Verivue 12-inch Panoramic Rear View Mirror. Introducing the Verivue 12-inch Panoramic Rear View Mirror. It offers an enhanced wide-angle view, eliminating blind spots for a safer drive. Enjoy a comfortable journey with its anti-glare technology. This clear tint minimizes glare, ensuring clear visibility in all lighting conditions. This accessory is universally compatible, fitting most cars, SUVs, and trucks. It's a versatile addition for improved visibility on the road. Perfect for parents with rear-facing car seats, it provides a clear view of your baby. Gain peace of mind knowing they are safe and sound. Crafted from premium, durable materials, it securely clips onto your existing mirror in seconds. No tools are required for a quick and easy setup. What we like. This mirror is specifically designed to offer a clear panoramic view, making it perfect for parents who need to keep an eye on rear-facing babies. Its anti-glare technology ensures comfortable driving in all conditions. If you have a young child in a rear-facing car seat and want peace of mind while driving, this is an excellent option. What people say. The mirror is a perfect fit for the Honda Civic, easy to install, and provides a clear, wide field of vision. The auto-dimming feature works effectively, reducing glare from headlights at night without being distracting. The mirror includes integrated turn signals that are bright and visible, adding an extra layer of safety. Number 2. WOLFBOX G840S 12 4K Mirror Dash Cam. See the road like never before with upgraded 4K UHD resolution on the front camera and a 1080p rear camera. The expansive 12-inch display offers a significantly larger viewing area, helping you spot potential hazards and reduce blind spots for safer driving. Stay connected and informed with built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS tracking. Connect to our app on your smartphone for real-time viewing, easy playback, and quick video sharing, all while tracking your routes with GPS data. Enjoy an expansive field of view with 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses, minimizing blind spots. The smart split-screen function lets you monitor both cameras simultaneously on the sleek 2.5D curved display. Drive with confidence day or night. Its advanced low reflectivity screen, WDR and HDR technology, and professional-grade sensor ensure clear, balanced images even in challenging lighting conditions. Protect your vehicle even when parked. The 24-hour parking monitor, with an optional time-lapse mode, provides continuous surveillance, giving you peace of mind around the clock. We stand by our product with attentive customer service and a 12-month guarantee. Enjoy consistent performance and dependable support for your driving needs. What we like. This is more than just a rear-view mirror, it's a full-featured 4K mirror dash cam. It offers stunning clarity, a wide field of view, and integrates GPS tracking for your journeys. If you're looking for a comprehensive safety solution that includes recording capabilities, advanced night vision, and parking assistance, this is the ultimate upgrade for your vehicle. What people say. The mirror provides a clear and wide field of view, making it easier to see blind spots. It was a perfect fit for my Honda Civic and easy to install. The auto-dimming feature works effectively, reducing glare from headlights at night. Number 1. Verivue 3.5-inch rectangular blind spot mirrors. Tired of blind spots? These mirrors are designed to give you a clear, wide-angle view of your surroundings, significantly enhancing your safety on the road. You can easily adjust them for the perfect viewing angle. Experience a distortion-free reflection with our premium HD glass mirrors. They provide a crystal-clear view without any warping or blurring, ensuring a flawless driving experience. Enjoy a modern, frameless look that seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's side mirrors. They attach securely with high-quality adhesive, leaving no marks upon removal. Installation is a breeze. Simply peel off the adhesive backing and firmly attach the mirror to your existing side mirror. No tools are required for a quick and easy setup. These mirrors are designed to fit any vehicle, whether it's a sedan, SUV, or truck. They are a must-have safety accessory for all drivers, providing complete coverage. This pack includes 2 mirrors, offering complete coverage and peace of mind. Enhance your driving safety with this essential accessory. What we like. These are designed to be attached to your existing side mirrors, providing an additional wide-angle view to eliminate blind spots. The adjustable angle allows for personalized positioning, and the sleek, frameless design looks great. If you need to specifically address blind spots on your side mirrors and want a discreet, easy-to-install solution, this 2-pack is ideal. What people say. The mirror has a clear reflection and a wide field of view, making it easy to see traffic behind. It was a perfect fit for my Honda Civic and installation was straightforward. The auto-dimming feature works effectively, reducing glare from headlights at night. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.